Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ram and today I am back with another video, and that video is called a makeup tutorial. I don't even know that what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna try my best. All the things I need, and I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but I'm gonna try my best. First we're gonna do the base like always. So I have these two foundations. I got makeup sponge. Now I need some concealer. I'm gonna use this one concealer. I'm gonna not apply like so much, just a little bit. So I have blended everything on my face, and now the last part of the base is the powder. So I have this one powder brush. I really like it because it's so fluffy. It might look like very white on camera, but it is like not that white. And take some blush. So I have this 5-in-1 blush. I'm gonna use my blush brush. It's also very fluffy. So I think I'm gonna take this one color and a little bit of this color. I think I've done too much, so I'm gonna just do this. Let's move on to the eyes. Like the eyes are gonna be very simple. I do not talk when I'm doing makeup, so sorry for that. I have done this. I have done, and it's looking pretty brown because I also used the brown color. So I'm done with the eyes, and I think it looks a little messy, so I'm gonna fix it up. I'm done with the eyes, and now I'm gonna do the mascara. I'm gonna apply some liquid lipsticks. These two both are similar colors, so I'm gonna do that. So guys, now I'm done with my makeup. I'm done, and if you like this video, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and bye.